Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, uh, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Um, it's a big week. We have crypto. Might have a breakout, a strong breakout this week, and of course we have the meetings this week. So let's just get straight to it. In crypto news, U.S. crypto firms flock to U.S. amid pro-crypto policies. Tr- Trump administration has implemented crypto-friendly policies, leading to a surge in global cryptocurrency firms establishing operations in U.S. companies like Deribit, that don't know what that is, OKC, Nexo, and DWF, don't know what that is as well, labs, are expanding stateside, attracted by regulatory rollbacks and promises to make the U.S. a digital asset hub. For Financial Times, Financial Times, I just don't believe in paying for news. I believe news should be free. News should be free at all times. News should be free. That's just my opinion. So yeah, let's move on. Let's move on to stock market. U.S. stock market rally faces Fed scrutiny. The S&P 500 has experienced an 8-day rally, recovering from previous tariff-induced downturns. Investors are optimistic about potential Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, possibly starting in June. However, upcoming Fed meetings and economic data releases will be crucial in determining the rally's sustainability. So, with that being said, we do have FMOC meetings this week on the 6th and the 7th, I believe. Hopefully, we get some rate cuts. If we get some rate cuts, I feel like everything will go back to normal. Uh, stock market wise. All right, so today, uh, I have I picked some different type of trades today. Today I did the earnings from last week. Did about 8 of those, and on top of that, I played around with the screener Finviz, like I showed you guys earlier. So yeah, let's just see what we got for you guys. Let's see what we got for you guys. All right. First thing first is Bitcoin, of course. Bitcoin, of course. Just let's just continue to look at it. As you can see, price broke out. Well, now that I'm looking at it, um, how would this look? How would this look? Mm, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. It looks like that's gonna like it's definitely going to. Let's go back. Let's go back. So what I am predicting is price come down to this EMA, and then it's going to pop off. This is what I am projecting if this closed in the red, like how it's doing. But however, we do have a day, almost 2 days left. you go on the 2 day, it's looking like a clean reversal. It's looking like a clean reversal. However, it's still going to hit. Oh, let me turn out this projector. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You guys should be able to hear me now. So, I don't know. I don't know. We need some more data. We need some more data. We need some more data. All right. Let's move on to SPY. Let's move on to SPY. E-mini, S&P. It's all the same. It's all the same. So how is SPY doing? So around this area. Well, first, this is a retracement, a fib retracement. Let's get out of. Let's delete all of this stuff. Let's delete all of this stuff. So first, so we bouncing off this fib right here to the 618. Now check this out. Check this out. From the top to the bottom. Where are we at? We're halfway out the golden, but this area right here is golden area. This is where on this white area, this is where price typically bounces off from a fib. Now, price is above. Price is above this area, the golden area. So what we want to see is price closing above here. We want to see price close above here. And when and if that happens, that's when price is going to continue to go up. I mean, the MACD showing some good buying pressure and whatnot, but we just won't know fully until we get there. A 12-hour, it flipped. It flipped. I don't know. Closed above the 200-day EMA. Price closed above the 200-day EMA on the 12-hour. So that can potentially be bullish. That can potentially be bullish. So, all right, let's move it on. Let's move it on to the signals. The signals. CDNS. Let's see. I saw this double bottom, and then this was typically where you get in at right here. No, right here. I'm sorry. Right here. So let me draw this up for you guys real quick. Let's draw this up. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna draw from here. Yeah, I like that. That's good. That's good. That's better. That's better. And then we have that like that. Is that a cup and handle? No, that's not a cup and handle. Well, however, this is a flag. This is a flag. So what we'll be looking for is price breaking above this 3-day trend line. That's what we are looking for. All right, and new. So 3-day trend line. I put this in. And as you can see, I think this one would be better. Nope. I'm still here. Yeah. I just got quiet. So yeah, there we go right there. So for new, we are looking for a breakout above this trend line. We are looking for a breakout above this trend line. And again, this is on the 3 day. So again, just if this is on the 3 day. How does a 12-hour look? That's still bullish in my eyes. That's still bullish in my eyes. All right. Let's moving on to SoFi or Sophie. I believe I had this in the video last week. We just need this candle to close above the trend line. That's all we need. And then when that happens, of course, we move it down and then hop in. We move it down and then hop in. All right, PayPal. I mean, you guys can see that clear as day. You guys can see that clear as day. But the question is, where? That's 60. It's a heck of a trend line. But yeah, PayPal, yeah, you should be getting in PayPal. PayPal is looking good. PayPal's looking good. I will get in PayPal immediately. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just what I would do. Of course, always do your own due diligence. Always. Spotify. Spotify is looking very good as well. Spotify is looking very good as well. It's been in an uptick since what? December of 2022. So let's draw this up real quick. Let's draw this up. Oh man, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. So we got an engulfing right here. So basically, all we are looking for is this to close. Of course, engulf this, but above the trend line. That's all we're looking for to get in. That's all we are looking for to get in. Let's see if we have anything hidden. Nah, not much. Not much. That's still a trend line. But however, this is engulfing, and this previous candle is bullish. Previous candle is bullish. All right, now this one, I found the trade on the monthly. I found it on the monthly. Yeah, I found this on a monthly. I actually have this on my retirement look watch list because as you can see, bunch of dividends. So I would definitely with it 2 week. Yeah, I would definitely get in. I would definitely get in this trade. Yes, immediately. Just looking at the fair value gap. I mean the MACD and how price is showing very bullish momentum. So yeah, all right. So let's move on to. I believe this is another S&P 500, SPGI. So we got this double pattern right here. Got that double pattern right there. And typically, people like to get in right there. So yeah, that's the entry right there. I mean, I wasn't even trying to do it, but that's the entry right there. We just need this to close above the trend line and bullish. And bullish. Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean. Looks good. I guess you can put that right there. Guess you can put it like that. Yeah, that's bullish. That's bullish. Another trade right there. Another trade right there. All right, ALX. ALX. Clear as day double bottom. Very bullish candle right here. This must have happened on Thursday or something. Yeah, Thursday, Wednesday, whenever. So on the 3 day, we got this double bottom right here. Boom, 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 boom. So we know price is going back to this fair value gap right there. Price is going back to this fair value gap. So about what is that? Almost a $40 move coming in the next, basically until June. You got a $40 move right there. And this is on the 3 day. This is on the 3 day. All right, moving on to Grail. It's a flag on the 6 hour. Flag on the 6 hour. Boom, there it is. There it is, right there. How should I draw this? Okay, I like it. I likes it. I likes it. I likes it. Up pin it, boom, like that, like so. There we go. Another trade. MACD looking good. Another trade, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. All right. Palantir. It's another one that's been going crazy. Another one that's been going crazy. Of course. Just need price to cross. Just need price to cross. Just need price to cross. To close above it, I mean. That's all we're looking for. That's all we are looking for. Yeah, that's very bullish. That's very bullish. Very, very, very bullish. All right, last but not least, HC. The double bottom. Engulfing so far. Flag it's looking like a flag. It's gonna come down to this. Yeah, it's looking like a flag. Not on the 12. I mean 6. But yeah, that's definitely showing something. It's definitely showing something. So if you guys want, you can wait a little longer, but I would definitely get in and at least bring it up to here. Get the $4 move. If you're not losing money, you're making money. Not losing, you're making. What else? That's definitely this might be it. However, I have been looking at a few stocks. Well, should I say ETFs for retirement? I'll just give these to you right now. We have VTI. We have SCHG. And then we have SCHD. And then we have Jeppy. Then we have Jeppy. So when I first started trading last year, I was using these lines on everything. I don't know how I was seeing this stuff. And I think this was all on a daily as well. Yeah, I think this was all on a daily. Well, anywho, that's the end of this video. So again, you've been watching We Here Now. I'm X. See you on the next one. But wait. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm getting a few more views. I'm getting a few more viewers. That's giving me a little motivation. But yeah, until then, I see you guys on the next one. Peace.